Sales are made for emotional reasons and justified with logic. And based upon this simple principle, in 20 years, what we found out, wholesalers who are effective in initiating and maximizing relationships quickly are the most successful. And to that extent, we've created a product that combines the emotional connection with technology. And this is the Video Wholesaler. The Video Wholesaler allows wholesalers to initiate and maximize relationships using technology in a way that's never been available before.
Do you think it's possible for a wholesaler to reach all the advisors in their territory at one time? We know it is. By harnessing the power of digital technology, we can create new advisor relationships, put more advisors in the pipeline, and set up more meetings.